I think we're in a period of readjusting expectations for both buyers and sellers. Buyers need to realize that while they have more negotiating power right now, it's not '08. If a house is priced right, you might be in multiple offers and you might be going a little over asking, but you're fortunate because you're no longer going 10 or 20% over asking. You're maybe going 1% or 2% over asking. And if the house has not hit the mark for pricing exactly right, depending on how off it is, but if it's in the range, the high-low range that all houses fall in, you're maybe able to negotiate 4% at a top number, assuming that it's a reasonable number to begin with. We're not talking these vast reductions like we saw in '08. And so I do think it's a big time of resetting expectations on both ends.
The other maybe advantage for the buyers isn't necessarily that you can get deep reductions on prices for the homes, but you have some time to think about it. Not in every case. There's still some things that are moving quickly within a weekend. But for the most part, you have a chance to make sure you're making a good decision. Go back to the house twice, have a conversation so that you're feeling when you jump in the water, you're prepared for it. And it's not something you're going to regret 48 hours from then because you only had 24 hours to make the decision. So I think it's more peaceful for buyers right now. And I also think there's the opportunity for buyers who need closing costs to negotiate some of that within their terms so that they can buy their interest rate down and be comfortable with the payment. So I do think there's some advantages to the buyers. That being said, I definitely don't think it's a buyer's market yet. It's still a seller's market, but there's just a little bit of a tipping towards the buyers, which has not existed for a number of years.